This new feature tutorial video will teach you how to apply scrollable UV for textures. In Fuzor, it is possible to animate and make your material smooth. This will make your animations even more realistic and detailed. So first objective is to simulate concrete flowing from the concrete mixer truck. Second is to simulate water flowing inside the pipe. And third is to make the arrows move to show the traffic direction of the vehicles. So for the first objective, let's make this concrete flow from the truck. Click on the concrete, then under Element Properties, click Cement Wet. Scroll down, then enable Scrolling Texture. Here, the UV orientation changes the direction of the scrolling, so I change it to 120. Then this is the speed of the texture. Let's change it to 0.1. Then click OK. For the second objective, let's make this water inside the pipe flow to the right side. So in Element Properties, click Fountain Water, enable Scrolling Texture. For UV orientation, we can remain it as 0, then only increase the scroll speed. When you're done, click OK. Then for the last objective, let's put arrows moving here to show the traffic direction. Here we have two translucent glass. First, for the entrance, let's click on the glass. Then click the render material. Here in material settings, disable the glass. Then under albedo texture, click on this folder. Then we have the traffic direction image. Click open. Then enable the albedo cutout. Let's also add for cutouts. Click on the folder. Then under material settings here, we can change the color. Let's change it to color purple. Then we can adjust the intensity. Then to make the arrows move, under scrolling texture, enable, and then let's change the scroll speed to 0.1. When you're done, click OK. Then for the exit sign, let's do the same thing. Click on the glass. Scroll down. Disable the glass. Then the albedo texture, let's add an image. The traffic direction. Enable albedo cutout, then add an image for cutouts. Then we can change the color. Let's change the color green. Then to make it move, enable scrolling texture and change the scroll speed to 0.1. Then click OK. Now those are the 3 scenarios you can simulate textures. Thank you for watching the video.